kitchen, and it's me, Sydney, naturally Sydney, who really must know. And today we have the mastermind, Rob Tannen of Signature Sudz.
What's good, y'all? I'm here.
Today is a big one.
Yes,
we
it
got
is.
A lot to cover today. What are we doing?
3-in-1. So we have your glass cleaner, your foam and hand soap, and your fruit and veggie wash. We're gonna do all of that today.
Okay, and this comes in one kit?
One kit, yes. Of course, we have your recipe cards. We have one for each. So you can't get them confused. We have an A, a B, and a C.
Okay.
So you need to make sure you do this all in order.
What do we have in here?
So we have our soap base. So we have 3 of these. It's basically the same soap base.
Okay.
But they're all measured out for each item.
Different ratio.
Yes.
Okay. This is the soap base?
Yes, it's our soap base.
This looks different from the other ones.
It actually is. It has a higher content of olive oil than the other one. So it's not as hard as the other one. It's a lot softer.
What kind of different cleaning power does this one have compared to the other one?
So it still cleans the same. It's just a lot more gentle on the skin and your vegetables and things like that. But it's still tough on the glass.
This is the base that you use in bar soaps too?
No, actually, this is made with potassium hydroxide, and our bar soaps are made with sodium hydroxide, which creates a solid bar. So that's the difference.
Okay. This is liquid. That is solid.
Yes.
Okay. Clock it. Okay. We got a lot of stuff to make today, so let's get going. It should be easy. There's only one ingredient.
It's only one ingredient. Say 2 ingredients, including the filtered water. And we have to use filtered water so we don't get any particles inside of our pump or inside of our spray bottle.
That water's nasty. Use some clean stuff. Okay.
To make your hand soap, you'll need filtered water, a small mixing bowl, a foaming pump bottle, essential oils, and a funnel.
Did you know?
Our hand soap leaves your hands feeling nice and soft, and it's eczema friendly.
While we're making it, I actually have some questions.
Sure.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Speed round. We're making hand soap first. So letter A.
Here we go.
Yeah. Is this hand soap gentle enough for kids?
It's gentle for your kids. It's eczema friendly. So you don't have to worry about anything happening to your little hands or your kids' little hands.
Yeah. Your guests that come in, you don't know if they have any allergies they can use this too?
Yes, you won't have any problems.
Does this actually kill germs or is it just going to clean my hands?
It does both. We actually use coconut oil, which has antibacterial properties.
Can I add my own essential oils to this?
Sure. You can use whatever oils you're comfortable with because I know some people are allergic to certain ones.
Jessica actually has a video talking all about essential oils, their uses, their purposes, and what you should use for your home. Will this dry out my skin with frequent use? Like if I'm doing over and over and over again?
No, the biggest compliment I get is how it moisturizes the skin and keeps it nice and smooth.
Okay.
Yes.
Does this lather similar to store-bought hand soaps?
Well, our lather actually comes from the pump. So when you mix the air and our product together, you create this nice foam, which gives a nice lather on your hands.
Okay, so special type of pump bottle.
You have to have that.
So if I put this in a normal one, it's not going to come out.
No, it's going to come out as just a liquid.
Oh, okay. So you need your foaming hand soap bottle.
Yes.
Crucial. We're done. We just got to wait for this to
just
dissolve.
Let it sit, and that's
crazy. Okay.
Let's go on to the next one.
Yeah.
To make our glass cleaner, you'll need filtered water, a small mixing bowl, a reusable spray bottle, and a funnel.
Did you know our glass cleaner is streak-free and non-toxic? Not like that blue stuff.
Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you my new cleaning routine with the glass cleaner by Signature Sudz. Let's go ahead and grab a microfiber towel, shake it up really well. I am just going to spray equal parts around the entire door. It doesn't irritate my eyes or my nose with a super strong scent because it is scent free. I love it. Look at how clean the glass is. I love everything by Signature Sudz. They do all different kinds of products, but I am absolutely obsessed with their glass cleaner. You should totally check them out.
Can I use this on mirrors and windows without streaks?
Yes. Our glass cleaner is great for removing streaks, unlike that blue stuff.
You know who it is. Is it safe for tinted car windows like sunglasses too?
Yes, it's safe for all windows, all glass.
Do I need a special cloth or can I use paper towels?
I would recommend a lint-free cloth.
Okay.
That way you don't get anything on there.
And we want to be sustainable, so try not using paper towels.
That's
for that.
the other thing, yes.
Will it leave a smell behind, or can I even add fragrance to this?
I wouldn't add any fragrance because you don't want any oils or anything to leave your glass oily.
Yeah.
You don't want to do that.
Okay.
So it's all pure. We use filtered water. And that's one thing we have to really stress. Use filtered water and no tap water.
Yeah. Not everything needs to smell good or have a dye in it. Like,
a lot of those are just fillers, which we don't need.
we're done already.
Yes, this is really simple. Yes, just let that dissolve and do its thing. And we're going to move on to the next.
Let us see. And it is the fruit and veggie wash.
Yes.
Excuse me.
This is one of my favorite products. I love it. It's easy and it does everything you need it to do.
Yeah.
Did you know hundreds of people touch the same apple that you take home from the grocery store? Our fruit and veggie wash helps keep those germs away.
All right, our same 2 ingredients, water and soap base.
Yes.
So let's get started. With the fruit and veggie wash, can I use this on all produce? And I mean like soft fruits like berries.
Yes. Actually, berries is one of my favorite. Literally, you take it, put it in a glass, spray it down, let it set for 2 minutes, and then rinse it with water, and then pull the berries out, and you will see all of the dirt and everything come off.
Does this remove pesticides or just dirt?
It actually removes pesticides, wax, and dirt. So
okay.
It's good. It's a great cleaner for
Yeah.
all of your fruits and vegetables.
Shelf life for this, how long does this last?
You get
after
about a
making it?
year, and I'm pretty sure you're not going to keep it that long. You need to come back and see me. You know,
Unless they're not eating their fruits and veggies.
Yes.
It's the same shelf life for all of these, right?
Yes.
About a year.
So basically, all of our products usually last about a year. There's no preservatives, so we like to keep it at a year, and it's the perfect amount of time to use everything. That's basically it for this. So what we're going to do over here, now we need to let all of these go ahead and break down. And once the paste dissolves, they're ready for use.
Okay. We want to make sure not to mix up the canisters. So A is for A, the hand soap. B, C.
You don't want to end up with soapy vegetables, right?
I don't know about
That's
you.
what we do not want to end up with. Just different ratios for each product, and that's what creates the 3 different ones.
Yeah. So that means this soap base is like super powerful.
Yes.
Yeah.
And like I said, this is just endless for what we can do. And that's why we created 2 different soap bases to actually work with 2 different ways of cleaning.
If I want to get my hands on more of this, what do I do?
Oh, you can always go to our website, signaturesudz.com. That's SUDZ. Don't forget the Z. We offer ready-made products, but if you like doing this, you can also get our small, medium, or large box.
Our monthly subscription box is a great way to keep your house stocked on all your household essentials. We offer small, medium, and large boxes to fit any family size. If you prefer your products already made, you can still order those online at signaturesudz.com. We ship nationwide right to your front door.
If you're that weird hippie person in your family who's like, no guys, we can't use these toxins, this is a good way to like sneak that in, like,
yeah, and it's fun, and it's real fun. So, you know.
So, I'm sorry, that was embarrassing. Welcome to my kitchen. It's me, Sydney, and today we got a big one. Come on, eat. Oh no, that sounds mean. I'm so sorry. That's not what I meant.
That's what she meant. Gonna rub your hands. It's gonna be nice and creamy.
Okay.
Please don't say
All right, we got our special bowl. Wait, what was I saying?
Go to a farmer's market, please.
Please, just get a farmer's market and get yourself from a farm. Shut up, Sydney.